Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for Draftkings. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and type in Draftkings. Hit enter and you will see some search results. So, simply navigate to the search result that says www.draftkings.com. Draftkings Daily Fantasy Sports and Sportsbook. Simply click on this link and it will show you this page where you can easily sign up on Draftkings. Now, you can see all this stuff and information about Draftkings here, or you can simply click on the sign up button available at the top of this screen. Now, when you click on sign up, it will instantly take you to this page where you can simply create your Draftkings account. So, enter your email in this field. Now, enter your username here, create a strong password. Now, choose your country code for your mobile phone. Enter your mobile number. You can also enter a promo code, scroll down at the bottom and click on create account. Now, after you click on create account, it will instantly take you to another page where it will say verify your phone number. You'll have to basically paste the verification you received on your mobile phone and enter that verification code. After entering that verification code, you'll be successfully logged into your Draftkings account. Now you will see the Draftkings dashboard available just right here. Now you'll have to simply select these terms, click on continue, and you'll be successfully able to use Draftkings. So that's a simple way to sign up on Draftkings. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.